Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be making spaghetti with garlic sauce. Okay, but before we get to it, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video because it certainly does help with the algorithm. Okay, thank you. Right, so what you need for this is some spaghetti, of course, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 6 garlic cloves which I've already chopped, a tablespoon of salt, and quarter of a tablespoon of black pepper, and some parsley as well. Okay, what you need to do is put a pan over water and bring it to a boil. Don't forget to season some of the water so that the pasta won't be bland. Okay, so I've added the butter to the large pan, to another large pan, while I'm waiting for the pasta pan to boil. Right, okay, so once the pan is boiling, I'm adding that to the pasta water, and okay, so put in carefully. The spaghetti should melt slightly so that all the spaghetti will go in there. Right, so I've added the garlic and salt, and I'm now stirring it for the sauce. Okay, and you should be doing this for 3 minutes. Yeah, and of course occasionally as well, don't forget to stir the pasta as well. Okay, so once the pasta is done, you need to drain it like so, and also you will need some of the pasta water for the rest of the cooking. Right, so I'm adding some of the cheese, and now I'm adding the pepper as well. I'm also adding the pasta as well, and I'm also adding some pasta water. Okay, right, and I'm stirring in well. Okay, okay, so add as much pasta water as needed. I've personally added 1 cup, and just keep on stirring, and I'm cooking for a further 4 minutes. Okay, because I've boiled the pasta for 4 minutes, and usually pasta takes around about 8 minutes to cook in the pan. Okay, so just keep on stirring. Okay, so the time is up, so before I serve, I'm gonna sprinkle it a little bit with the parsley. Okay, so there you have it. There's your spaghetti and garlic and butter sauce. Okay, so that about wraps it up for this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and do remember, if you whether or not you're autistic and you want to learn to cook, don't forget to subscribe and like that video with the thumbs up button, and that all helps with the algorithm. And do remember, I have your back.